Hello and welcome back to St Modwen Homes' YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking around the Almond home, which is a 5-bedroom home, making it perfect for families and those looking to upsize. So let's take a look around. So the first thing you'll find as soon as you enter the home is this lovely hallway. As you can see, it's really wide, which makes it feel really open, airy and spacious, which is really nice as soon as you enter the home. Now let's have a look in the first room, which is the lounge. So as you can see, this is a really nice spacious room with plenty of natural light coming through thanks to the large window on this side, but also as you'll see there's 2 windows either side there. This particular room has been designed in a very neutral colour scheme with soft furnishings and 2 sofas, but you could actually fit 3 in if you wanted to. And then behind me we've got the door which leads onto the open plan space, so let's have a look. So as we come through from the lounge area, we've got the kitchen, diner, family area, and this is a really informal space which is big enough for a 3-seater sofa. Good for if you've got kids and you want to keep an eye on them whilst you're cooking, but also great if you've got guests over and they just want somewhere to kind of sit back and relax. One thing that you might notice about this particular part of the property is that there's lots of natural light coming in, and that's thanks to these bifold doors behind me, which span quite a wide width of the house. They're great for in the summer months if you want to open them up and let the outdoors in. Also really great for a barbecue when you've got guests around. Just across from the family area, you'll find the dining area where there's lots of space, meaning you can choose any dining table that you want and you're not going to be restricted on style. This is a really nice area if you like to have family meals together and spend some quality time together. So then we move into the kitchen, which is one of my favourite parts of the home, especially this part, which is the breakfast bar. Perfect for if you prefer a little bit more of an informal meal and you're grabbing breakfast as you go out the door in the morning. As you can see, this kitchen is very spacious and it has lots of worktop space. So if you're a keen cook, this would be the ideal place for you. So this particular property has a 6-burner hob, which means you can use lots of pots and pans on it at the same time. And there's also a double oven. Now, a really handy part of this home is the utility space. There's a door in this room which goes out to the side of the property, and there's also space under the worktops for appliances such as a washing machine. It also is a great room if you want to keep your cleaning products out of the way so there's no mess anywhere else in the home. And if you're looking for even more storage, we've got this really useful storage cupboard right here under the stairs. There's room in here for a hoover or an ironing board or any other bits and bobs that you want to get out of the way. Also on this floor, you've got the downstairs WC, which is really convenient if you're spending time downstairs because you don't need to go upstairs. And now we're heading to this room, which has been designed like an office space, which is great if you work from home, but alternatively, if you have a family, you could turn this into a playroom. And as you'll notice, there's lots of natural light coming in thanks to the large windows. So first up on this floor, we've got the main bedroom, which is really spacious and it has plenty of room for a large bed and side tables either side of the bed. It's also got its own walk-in wardrobe, which means you can keep all of your stuff, your bags, your shoes, everything in one place, and it keeps the rest of the room really tidy. This room also comes with its very own ensuite, which is really handy if you want to have a shower in the morning, and it's also great because it means that you can keep all your stuff in there away from the family bathroom. Just a little bit further down the landing, we've got the second bedroom. Now this room is another spacious bedroom, which has built-in wardrobes and enough room for a double bed. And if you follow me, I'll show you a really cool feature of this bedroom. So this is the Jack and Jill bathroom. As you can see, it's got its very own shower. It joins onto that room, but it also joins on to another double bedroom. So as we move into the third bedroom of the home, you'll see that this room, like the other bedrooms, has been thoughtfully designed with high ceilings and large windows with plenty of natural light coming in throughout the day, making it a really unique feature. And whilst the main bedroom benefits from its own ensuite and the other 2 bedrooms have the Jack and Jill bathroom, there's also a family bathroom which has a shower and a bath, meaning everybody's got their own space. And just next to the bathroom, we've got the 4th double bedroom. And as you'll see, this has been designed with little ones in mind and 2 single beds. But if you wanted to lay it out a little bit differently, this is a really flexible space. You could have a double bed, or you could even have a bunk bed, whatever you like. So now we move into the final bedroom of the home. Now this one has been set up like a nursery, but if it suits you better to have it as an office as opposed to the downstairs office space, then that could also work really well too. So that's the 5-bedroom Almond home. As you've seen, this is a really lovely home with plenty of space throughout and lots of natural light, making it perfect for upsizers or families. To find out any more information, please click the link in the description below.